In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize articles with Grok AI, Quick Tutorial 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get clean, concise summaries with just a few prompts. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. Any modern browser will work. Make sure you're on the official site so the interface looks as expected and your content is secure. Next, sign into your Grok account if you have one. This isn't strictly required, but it's helpful because your chats and drafts can be saved automatically. That way you can return to your summaries later, continue refining them, and keep everything organized without copying things around manually. On the homepage, you'll land in the main Grok AI experience. Front and center is the conversation area, where all the action happens. You'll see a clean layout designed for quick back and forth, and a panel where your previous chats may appear if you're logged in. Focus on the chat bar at the bottom center. That's where you'll type your request. Grok works best when you're direct and specific, so think about your goal before you type. To generate a summary, ask clearly for what you want. For example, you might say, summarize this article in a short paragraph, include 3 key takeaways, and keep the language simple. Then include the content you want summarized. You can paste the article text directly, or reference the article you're working with. If your source includes visuals and the interface allows it, you can also attach an image, like a chart or infographic, to help Grok understand the context more precisely. If you have preferences, add them up front, such as the target length, tone, audience, or whether you want a headline at the top. The clearer your request, the cleaner the output. If the first result isn't quite what you had in mind or feels light on detail, continue the conversation and ask Grok to refine it. You can say things like, expand the background section, simplify the language for a general audience, or convert the summary into bullet points and add citations if available. You can also ask for an executive summary, a one-sentence abstract, or a version tailored for a newsletter. Iterating like this is normal and fast. The model will adjust based on your feedback. When you're happy with the result, you're done. If you're signed in, your conversation is saved, making it easy to revisit or repurpose later. That's it. You've just learned how to summarize articles with Grok AI quickly and effectively.